Dandelion flower honey. It's not technically honey, but it's pretty tasty stuff. And to make this, you want to pick yourself some dandelion flowers. Do this when the sun is shining and then they'll be in full bloom and at their best. Remove the petals from the stalks, and if your fingers aren't even yellow, are you even trying? Once this is done, give the petals a good wash, and this removes any bugs and debris and things you don't want on there. Drain them off well. And then you're going to pop the flowers back into a pan with a few slices of lemon. This will add a bit of flavour and acidity. Top this up with water, bring to the boil, turn down to a simmer. And I simmered it for about half an hour and then let it infuse for a few hours, or ideally overnight. And then once you've got this dandelion tea, you're going to weigh it. And whatever weight of tea you've got, you're going to add about half the amount of sugar. Quite a lot of recipes say double the amount, but we're going to reduce this down to intensify it. I also added a pinch of salt. And then I changed the pan because my pan was too small. But bring this up to the boil, and you can see as it starts to thicken, it goes all kind of frothy. And we're looking for a coating consistency, so when it cools on the spoon, you can see it's just about holding. You can go a little bit looser if you like, but I wouldn't go any thicker. Once this is done, jar it up and allow it to cool at room temperature, and this delicious honey will last about a year.